Hey, Sean. Can Docky have some of your milk?
No.
Can Docky have some milk?
No.
Can Docky please have some milk?
No.
You want me to hold your milk? We are really into the word no right now. And that noise. Okay, I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
No.
Okay. Set it down right here. Oh, you're going to leave me? Well, we're having such a good morning. We're reading books. And you're moving in a direction that I can't see what you're doing. Hey, Sean, can Docky have some milk?
No.
Please, can Docky have some milk? Can Docky have some milk?
No.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Oh, okay. I was worried about you. I thought all you could say anymore was no. Can you say yes? Yes, but only with my head nod. But can Docky have a drink?
No.
Docky can't have a drink of milk?
No.
Can I hold your cup?
No.
And that's Sean's newest trick.